Assalamu alaikum. How are you all doing today? That's great. I am fine too. Today we are going to learn about something which is very interesting. Do you want to know what it is? I'm sure you want to. But before that, get your notebook, pencil colors and your pencil case. Ready? Now, to know about today's lesson, we are going to solve a puzzle. Do you like solving puzzles? I'm sure you do. I love to solve puzzles. Do you know what this is? Yes, it is our home, the earth, right? So today we are going to learn about the earth and the sky surrounding it. Now let's watch a song and tell me what the song was about.
There are 8 planets in the solar system. We revolve around the sun. Join us to learn about the different planets. Now sing along and have some fun. My name is Mercury. I'm the second hottest planet, the closest one to the sun. A year on my surface is 88 days. I'm the smallest, but I'm lots of fun. My name is Venus. I'm the hottest planet, but the second planet from the sun. I'm the brightest planet in our solar system, and I'm too hot for anyone. My name is Earth. I'm the planet you live on, the third planet from the sun. I'm the only planet with organic life, so take care of me, 'cause we're all one. My name is Mars. I am red in color. I'm the 4th planet from the sun. I have the highest mountain in our solar system, a volcano named Olympus Mons. There are 8 planets in the solar system. We revolve around the sun. Join us to learn about the different planets. Now sing along and have some fun. My name is Jupiter. I am covered in clouds. I'm the 5th planet from the sun. My giant red spot is a raging storm. As for size, I'm the biggest one. My name is Saturn. I am brown in color. I'm the 6th planet from the sun. My outer rings are extremely thin. They're made of dust and icy chunks. My name's Uranus. I am blue in color. I'm the 7th planet from the sun. Humans have named me the icy planet because I am the coldest one. My name is Neptune. I am blue in color. I'm the 8th planet from the sun. I have too many storms in my atmosphere, and I'm the furthest planet from the sun. There are 8 planets in the solar system. We revolve around the sun. Join us to learn about the different planets. Now sing along and have some fun.
How was the song? Did you enjoy it? I loved it too. What was it about? Yes, it was about our solar system. How many planets are there in our solar system? Yes, there are 8 planets, and they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. All these revolves around a big star, which is the Sun. Earth is the 3rd planet from the Sun, and it is the only planet which has life in it. So today we are going to learn about the Earth and its surrounding. Here are the learning intentions. We are learning to identify and locate features of the Earth from globes, maps, and other means in relation to natural and built environments. Also, we will be learning to describe the composition and features of the Sun and the Earth. We will be successful if we can locate continents, countries, atolls, and islands by using a globe or a map. If we can identify and compare the features of the Sun, Moon, and the Earth. If we can explain how day and night occur. Let's talk about the beautiful sky. When you look at the sky during daytime, what do you see there? Exactly. We see a round, hot, huge ball of fire which is very far away from the Earth, which is the Sun. It gives us heat and light. If you get up early in the morning, you can see the sun rising from the east, and the day begins with the sunrise. And we play, work, and study during the daytime. In the evening, sun sets in the west. After the sun sets, the night begins and we sleep. Look at the sky once more, and you will find out what is there. Now we can see the moon. The moon looks very beautiful, isn't it? It gives us light at night, but the moon is very small than the sun and not so hot and bright as the sun. Also, we should not forget about the millions of twinkling objects we see in the sky at night. Yes, these are the stars. Can we count them? They look very small because they are very far away from us. Have you ever wondered where the moon and the stars hide during the daytime? We see in the morning the sun rises from the east, and evening we find it in the west before it completely disappears from our sight. Does this mean that the sun goes and hides somewhere? No, right? Let's see from this video what actually happens.
Wake up! It's daytime. We have to go to school.
I wish we only had nights and no days.
Then you cannot go to the playground and ride swings.
Oh yes! Mummy sends me out to play only during the day. I wonder why we have days and nights at all.
Before we discuss the formation of day and night, we must recall some basics about the rotation of the Earth.
I know what this is. This is a globe. A miniature Earth.
Yes. This is the axis of the globe. And this is how the globe rotates.
Wow! So the Earth has an axis?
The Earth's axis is an imaginary line that runs through the poles of the Earth.
And as I see in the globe, the axis is tilted at an angle.
Yes, at 23.5 degrees.
And the movement of the earth on its own axis is called rotation. All this is clear to me. But why do we have days and nights?
To explain that, I need to use my magic wand.
Where are you? It's so dark. I can't see anything.
Wait, I'll switch on the lamp.
Wow, you are the earth.
And the lamp is the sun.
Okay, I'm loving this.
See? The light is only falling on my front side. This is day. Now go behind me and see.
Oh yes, this part is dark.
So this is night.
Now this is night on your front half. And day on this back part. Night here now.
When the earth rotates from west to east, only half of it faces the sun. This half which faces the sun has day, and the other half that does not get sunlight has night. When the earth rotates, day changes to night and night changes to day. So,
the rotation of the earth causes day and night.
if you look at the globe, you will notice that India and United States are on the opposite sides. So,
when it's day in United States, it's night in India. And when it's night in United States, it's day in India. How long does it take for the earth to make one complete rotation?
the earth takes 24 hours to make one complete rotation.
Oh, that is a whole day.
Yes, my dear. Now we will have a rapid fire round of questions.
What is that?
I will ask you questions and you will answer me quickly and in short.
And I get a chocolate as reward?
Right. Our earth moves from west to east on its axis. What is this movement called?
Rotation.
How long does the earth take to complete this rotation?
24 hours.
What causes day and night?
The rotation of the earth on its own axis causes day and night.
Very good. Now the last question. Who is the most intelligent boy on earth?
Do not know.
It's you. And why?
Because I watch makemegenius.com videos.
Here is your reward.
From the video, we have learned that the earth revolves around the sun and also the earth spins on its own axis. Do you know what is an axis? Axis is an imaginary line which goes through the center of the earth from North Pole to the South Pole. And while the revolution takes place, the part which is face to the sun has the daytime and the part which is far away from the sun has the night time. Now we are going to move on to the next part of the lesson. Before that, I am going to give you a small activity. You can take down the questions and then answer. Students, are you ready for the activity? Here are some questions. You can note this down in your notebook and answer these questions. Number 1. Which one is bigger, the sun, moon or the earth? Number 2. What is an axis? Number 3. What are the twinkling objects that we see at night? Number 4. What causes day and night to occur? Number 5. The part of the earth which faces the sun will have blank time. You have to fill this blank. Good luck! Next, we are going to learn how to identify and locate some features of the earth from a globe and a map. This is a globe. A globe is a spherical model of Earth. It shows land masses and water bodies. A map is a drawing of all or part of Earth's surface. Its basic purpose is to show where things are. Maps may show visible features such as rivers, lakes, forests, buildings, and roads. Here is a map of our world today, and we can see continents and oceans. A continent is a massive area of land that is separated from others by water or other natural features. There are 7 continents, and they are North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia, and Antarctica. The ocean covers over 71% of the Earth's surface, and there are 5 major oceans. They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. Which continent do we belong to? Yes, it is Asia. Here is a map of Asia, and as you can see, Maldives is located in the Indian Ocean below India, and Sri Lanka is the closest to it. Now let's see the map of Maldives closely. Here you go. The Maldives is a small island nation in South Asia. It is a group of coral islands which is divided into 21 atolls. They are Ha Alif Atoll, Ha Dal Atoll, Shavian Atoll, Nunu Atoll, Ra Atoll, Ba Atoll, Lavian Atoll, Kaf Atoll, Alif Alif Atoll, Alif Dal Atoll, Wav Atoll, Mim Atoll, Faf Atoll, Dal Atoll, Tha Atoll, Lam Atoll, Gaf Alif Atoll, Gaf Dal Atoll, Nyavian Atoll, and in the south, Sinu Atoll. Now I am going to see how my atoll looks like. This is North Malay Atoll, and I am here in Malay. It's your turn to find your atoll and see how does it look like. And draw it in your notebook and mark the islands which forms the atoll in green, and then mark your island in red. Don't forget to label your island. Here we are about to end today's lesson. Let's conclude it by answering some questions that I ask. Which one gives us light and heat? The earth, the moon, or the sun? Well done, it's the sun. Which of the below spins and rotates, creating day and night? The earth or the sun? Excellent, it is the earth. Can you name this? What does it represent? Yes, this is a globe and it represents the earth. Do you know what this is? Yes, it's a map of Maldives. Can you show me your atoll? Now, in the map given in your workbook, page 77, mark your atoll. Here is a fun task for you. Are you ready for a project? Your next task is to make a model of the Earth and Moon's orbit of the Sun. You can use any material to make this model. Here is an example. Remember that this is just an example. You can use your creativity. You have done a very good job today. Give a clap to yourself. Have a great day. Stay safe. Wassalamu alaikum.